Hi, I'm Paige, and in this video you're going to see how I made this ornament, this cute little felt candy cane. It's very simple and it only takes a few supplies, and it's a really super fun Christmas ornament that you can give to a lot of people and decorate your tree. In the description box below you're going to find a link to a worksheet that gives you the template for this and then a few little notes to help you in the construction, but it's very simple and you'll see it quickly put together right now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more of my sewing and craft videos and also more Christmas videos coming up. And remember, it's the season of giving, so make some for your family and your friends. Get your kids involved to make some crafts that they can hand out to their friends or schoolmates. Get creative and make something you love.